Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So, I told you last time I would go to a party, and that party was cool. It was actually for me the first proper party after 2 months, and I was even able to film a bit. Salute!
You got that good vibe, good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright.
It's an awesome party, man. I got invited here from
Good
this
party.
girl. And now we go to the beach and have some more fun.
What you do to me.
Unfortunately, my battery of the GoPro ran out at the beach. That's why there are not that many clips of the beach, but it was a really cool party. Now I'm back on my own. Unfortunately, also the weather got a bit worse. It's super windy. It's not cold, it's super hot when I'm in the van, but it's so windy I cannot even have my solar panel on the roof because it blew it down. But yeah, still, let's go check if there are some waves to surf. I'm not sure if you understand me, it's definitely too windy to surf. All the waves are messy and crazy. But yeah, let's go back to my van. Take this with us.
3 days later.
Finally the weather got better again, and I finally could really play with this dog that always be out there when I get out.
You got that good vibe, good vibe. You give me that good vibe all night. You get me so high, so high. You give me that good vibe, alright.
And I can show you my favorite spot yet. That's the parking spot. This spot is actually not in Peniche, it's in Baleal. That's like 3.5 kilometers north of Peniche. Yeah, I love it so much because everybody is really chilled, and you have like 3 surf spots around in about a 200 meters walk. There is La Gide, it's a point break, really nice but pretty localized. So if you're not a local and you're not experienced, don't go surfing there. There is also Praia do Continho, really nice. It's good when there is low tide, and I had there pretty good waves already. And last but not least, there is Baleal, and it's perfect longboard spot. I had yesterday some pretty good waves, and I could finally do my first hang 5. I was super stoked. Yeah, I'm not really talk about where exactly I am, because I don't want that the parking spots, the beaches and everything is getting more trashed. Please respect the nature when you go travel. There is already now really a lot of trash everywhere, and if you're camping for a long time here, just take some trash with you. It's not a big deal. You can go after surfing in one hand, take like 3 or 4 pieces of trash with you, because it's so trashy and it always annoys me when I go surfing on the way. I will go now to collect some trash. I have here like this huge trash bags, it's like 110 liters. I never use them, so I thought they are perfect to collect some trash. Let's see what the strangest articles are that I will find. It's time to give back. So I just made now the way I do every day to go surfing at that spot, and my bag is already pretty full. It's kind of disgusting. Come out. Finally. Wait. Is this a t-shirt? That's a t-shirt. Okay. In the bag. This bag is getting heavy. That's actually a pretty good workout. Oh, new glove. Mine ripped. Nice. Well, that's too much rope for me to carry. But look at this. There is even a dead bird in it. Oh, I didn't totally feel it, but at least it's about the haul. And it's also heavy enough. So, finish for today. Definitely the best thing I found. I didn't even throw it away. screwdriver. Yes, that was definitely interesting. We found a lot of stuff. The objects I found the most were definitely little pieces of plastic. Second, that was like pieces of fishing nets. That was pretty much 10 meters probably I found, maybe even more. And the third most was corona masks. That was pretty sad because I didn't only found single-use masks, I also found reusable masks. Why would you buy a reusable mask if you don't reuse it? Doesn't make really sense. So I didn't clean up all beach, but I definitely cleaned up the way to the surfing spot. So tomorrow when I go surfing, I will definitely not find any piece of trash. So now I'm a little bit tired because it was actually really a good workout, and I will go to chill a bit. So peace, see you next week. If you like this video and you want to see more and you want to join me on my adventures, press the subscribe button and the notify button, and make sure you like that video and share it. Stop! I was still filming.